Good morning. We are going to start with our calendar. So first we will say the months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What month are we in? We are still in the month of November. All right, let's say our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Monday, so what would today be? Tuesday. And then tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, let's count our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I can say the whole thing. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. Now you're going to go complete the other 2 pages of activities by yourself and have a great day.